Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about two common Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or DTCs. Today the codes I'll be talking about are P0420 and P0430. These are codes that may also have other codes associated with them that can help diagnose the problem. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly VeriScan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 fault code P0420 means catalyst system efficiency is below threshold and indicates your Bank 1 catalytic converter isn't functioning properly. Code P0430 indicates the same issue, but in your Bank 2 catalytic converter. Bank 1 and Bank 2 are just names indicating the banks of cylinders and corresponding components on either side of a V-type engine, with Bank 1 being the side that contains cylinder 1 and Bank 2 indicating the opposite side. In 4-cylinder or straight-six engines, there will not be a Bank 2 since there are not two sides to the engine itself. So in practical terms, when you see either of these codes, your vehicle may be experiencing failure in one of a few areas. An engine misfire, fuel pressure issues, or defective oxygen sensor can lead to your catalytic converter not functioning efficiently. Or the exhaust system or catalytic converter itself may have failed, and you may see codes that indicate any of these things. There may or may not be noticeable signs or symptoms of a P0420 or P0430 code besides a check engine light, but you may notice a smell similar to rotten eggs coming from your exhaust, or an engine that isn't running as smoothly as usual. In conjunction with the trouble code, these symptoms indicate catalytic converter failure or blockage. If you're comfortable diagnosing the issue yourself, or if you have other codes related to a misfire or oxygen sensor problems, you may be able to determine the cause of your P0420 or P0430 code with a physical inspection. In some cases, especially if you don't notice a sulfur smell but are experiencing rough engine operation, it may also be a good idea to inspect your ignition system, including ignition coils, boots, and spark plugs, oxygen sensors and their connectors, as well as your fuel system, to determine if it's producing adequate pressure to keep the engine running at its best. Whether you notice any symptoms or not, it is not recommended that you drive a vehicle with this code until the problem is diagnosed. Your vehicle may still run, but driving has the potential to make the problem worse or cause damage to other systems. Since the cause and most likely fix for these codes can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly VeriScan report. We also have additional resources on our How-To Hub to help you diagnose some of these common symptoms. If you're not sure where to start on this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused your code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.